Hello students, my warm greetings to each one of you. So today I'm going to teach you adjectives. So before going to start this chapter or this topic, I would like to give you four words. And these four words are kind, wonderful, tall and yellow. I'm going to repeat kind, wonderful, tall, and yellow. Now you need to write down the names of people and things that you can associate with each word. Okay, if you have got the thing, like I have given you kind. Okay, whom do you find kind? Right, just in front of it. The second word was wonderful. Right, whom do you find wonderful? Right, just against it, whom do you find wonderful? The third word was tall. Okay, so just you need to write a single word after these words, like tall. What do you find tall? Next word is yellow. Okay, which thing would you like to see in yellow color? So these were the four words you need to write first. So that was your first homework. Don't forget to do this as well. So now let's start the topic. Adjectives. What the adjectives are? So an adjective is a word that is used to describe or qualify a noun or a pronoun. So that you have studied earlier as well. Adjectives are the words which describe a noun as well as a pronoun. Look at the example. I have a juicy mango. So what is the noun here? Okay. What is the noun here? Mango. Now, what kind of mango is juicy? So, as you can see, this is the word. Juicy is describing mango. This word has been used only for mango. Like what kind of mango? Juicy. So, here juicy will be an adjective because it is describing the noun. The second example is you are wearing pink shoes. Okay, so what is the noun here? Shoes. Okay, shoes is a noun here. Now if I ask you what kind of shoes, the answer will be pink. So pink is describing a noun here, so it will be an adjective. Look at the next example. I am happy. I am happy. So here happy is a word which is describing I, which is describing I. And if you know, I is a pronoun here. I is a pronoun here. You can write anybody's name as well. Okay. So it is describing the pronoun. So happy will be an adjective here. So look at the types of adjective. So first type of adjective is adjective of quality. The second type is adjective of quantity. The third type is adjective of number. The fourth type is demonstrative adjective. The next type is possessive adjective, and the next one is interrogative adjective. Okay, so first of all, today we are going to do three types of adjective. And what are they? The first type will be adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. So what is adjective of quality? It describes what kind of a person or thing is. What kind of a person or a thing is. Okay, so that tells us basically what kind of thing we have used here. So if you see, I have to cross a wide river. I have to cross a wide river. Now you see what is the noun here. What is the noun here? River. Okay, so if I ask you what kind of river it is, the answer will be wide river. Okay, so wide is describing the river here, so it wide will be an adjective here. The next example is she has a small kitten. She has a small kitten. Just to see what is the noun here? Kitten. Okay, now you ask the question, What kind of kitten? What kind of is kitten? Small. So small will be here an adjective. Now look, to figure out or to find out adjective of quality, just you need to ask a question of what kind of the noun and pronoun is. The noun and pronoun is. Okay, so here noun was river, so we will ask a question of what kind of question with river only. So what kind of river? Like what kind of kitten? Small. Okay, so like this you need to find out. So don't forget this, what kind of, to figure out, to point out adjective of quality, just you need to pick out first the noun, and for the from the same noun you need to ask the question of what kind of. The second one is adjective of adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. So adjective of quantity, it indicates how much of something is being referred to. Okay, so as it is clear with its name only, this is referred for uncountable noun. This is referred for uncountable noun. Okay, so how you will find out? Just you need to pick out the noun only. Okay, and from the same noun you need to ask the question of how much. How much? Look at the example. There is little water in the pot. Okay, so what is the noun here? Water. Now you ask the question of how much. How much water? How much water? Little water. So little will be here adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. The second example is he doesn't have enough food. What is the noun here? Food. What is the noun? Food. Now you need to ask the same question, how much from food. How much food? Enough. So enough will be here adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. The next is adjective of number. Adjective of number. So adjective of number indicates how many of a thing is being referred to. Okay, so as it is clear with its name, number means countable noun. It is used for countable noun, and you need to ask the question of how many from the noun. So look at it. I have 3 books in my bag. I have 3 books in my bag. So what is the noun here? Noun is books. Okay, so how many books do I have in my bag? How many books do I have in my bag? We are getting answer 3. Okay, so 3 will be here adjective of number. Next you see, there are 4 fans in my classroom. What is the noun here? Fans. Okay, now we ask the question of how many from fans. How many fans? The answer will be 4 fans. So this is number and this is the telling. Okay, how many things are being referred here, or about how many things we are talking in a sentence. This is called adjective of number. So 4 will be here adjective of number. The next is C is sitting on the 5th seat. C is sitting on the 5th seat. So you will ask here, on which seat? On which seat? That I will make you understand. Okay, cardinal or ordinal number. So how you will find here? So here 5th will be here adjective of number. So remember, in adjective of number you will find both the numbers. Okay, cardinals number as well as ordinal numbers. So what the cardinals numbers are? Cardinals tells us the number. Okay, cardinals tell us the number of people or thing, like how many people or how many things are there, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. These are called cardinal numbers. Okay, and the second one is ordinal numbers. Ordinals number tell us the order of people or thing in a series, means they tell us the rank, like first, second, third, fourth, fifth. These are called ordinal number. So both the number, cardinal number and ordinal numbers, both the numbers will be included in adjective of number. So this is the thing, only in these three types of adjective you need to identify. First of all, adjective of quality. In adjective of quality you need to ask a question from the noun, what kind of. In adjective of quantity you need to ask the question of how much, means this is used for uncountable noun, and you need to ask the question of how much. In adjective of number you need to ask the question of how many, how many. Okay, so these three types we have done. Now your homework will be, you need to write three examples of each kind of adjective, means three examples for adjective of quality, three examples for adjective of quantity, and three examples of adjective of numbers. So this is your homework.